credit needs to go to the police team as well as the NPA team, and especially to the police team, our labs and police in general who are always criticized in those cases, but not doing very proper work. But they've shown once again that when they do their work very well. The prosecution team as well, we are happy. This is the first step in the direction of ensuring that he goes to jail for a long time.
He was a good friend of mine for a year, more than a year, and he was actually my best friend. And so it was very emotional for me to see him in that state, and I felt very sorry for him.